Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay so that technically you can use your cash balance here, your money in your Cash App, to pay for things through Apple Pay with your phone. So you would just scan your phone and it uses your cash balance here. So first we need to come to the cash card screen here. If you don't have a cash card yet, you'll need to order one. It should be free for your first time. And if you want to see more of that process, check out the other videos on my channel. There's going to be hundreds of tutorials for this stuff. Once you order the cash card, they're going to send you a physical card in the mail. You don't need to use this for the Apple Pay, you just need to activate it. Then once it's activated, you can go to Add Card to Apple Pay, this top button that you see here. And then you're going to go through the process and it's going to connect your card to your Apple Pay. Your cash card was added to Apple Pay. Remember, your PIN is the same one you use in the app. Tap done. So now my card is in my wallet here for my Apple Pay. So this and this are the same card. You need to make sure your card is unlocked so then you can spend your balance here. So now this $142 cash balance, if I want to pay for something at a store or a restaurant or whatever and they accept Apple Pay, you can do the thing where you double tap the button on the side of your iPhone. You want to go to your Cash App card here and you'll be able to pay now. And that's going to use this cash balance right here from your Cash App. So technically you don't need to transfer money over to Apple Pay or anything like that. You just need to get the card, activate it, add it to Apple Pay, and then you can start using Apple Pay with this card to spend your cash balance. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.